Hi, welcome to LR Virtual Classroom. Personally, OneNote made me more organized with my note taking. But being organized effectively requires the tips and tricks which you can pull together. So, here are my 5 tips and tricks to use and search OneNote effectively. Let's get started. The first we're going to say about use search box generously. As and when you start building various notebooks for your personal and work related information, you may have to use your search box. For that, in the search button, click on the word which you want to look in for. All the pages will be listed here. You can search within all the notebooks or a particular notebook or a section group or within a particular section or within a particular page. In this way, your search will be damn fast. The shortcut for your search is Ctrl E, which opens with all the notebook as a default criteria. The moment you press Ctrl F, will find only on a particular page. Don't forget Ctrl E and Ctrl F. The second tip we are going to see is about use and search by tags. What are tags? Tags are nothing but your pictorial representation of information. You can categorize your information by using various tags. We can also create a simple to-do list by using the to-do tag. I have used various tags in my current page. I have also created a project overview page where I have used my tags generously. Also, I have a weekly status report where I have highlighted various tags for ready reference. How can I search by using tags? The moment when I press Find Tags, a tag summary window opens up. It lists all the tags that I have used in my notebook. I can drill down to a section or I can drill down to a particular page. I can also create a summary page. The moment I click a summary page, a new page will be created with a list of all the tags that I have in my notebook. This is the easy way to search your information when you have your tags tagged to it. Say I am looking for a phone number. I can go here, look for a phone number tag, press here, go for the particular page. The third tip we are going to see is search text from image. Search text from image is nothing but by using your file printout. When I am trying to embed a file, I can use file printout. The moment I click a PDF document, it not only embeds the file but also embeds each and every page I have in my PDF and as an image file. As you can see here, the entire pages are pasted here as an image. When I look in for a word, weekly, as you can see here, the insert file has printout. The word weekly has been highlighted. Though it is as part of the image, it is included as part of your search criteria. So you have a huge document when you want to search. Don't forget to insert the file as by using file printout. The fourth tip we are going to see is copy text from pictures. Say I have taken a screen clipping from the open source. I want to have the text from this particular image. I can right click on the image, click copy text from picture and then I can paste it in another page. All the text will be pasted here. This is a very powerful feature in OneNote. This is called as a OCR, Optical Character Recognition. Say when your team member is sharing an image file where you're not able to read certain text, you can use this option. The fifth tip we are going to talk about is customized table of contents. As you are aware, there are various hierarchy levels to categorize your information in terms of notebook, section groups, section, pages and subpages. Having your table of contents for your individual notebook is very helpful. I have created a simple table of content for my Excel notebook. With this click of a button, I can go to the particular page. This is very handy at sometimes you don't have to scroll up and down to look in for your information. To create a table of content, you can go to Insert, Link, all your notebooks will be displayed. You can select the page which you want to link, click OK. In this way, you can create your own customized table of contents for your each notebooks. So friends, hope you liked my 5 tips and tricks. What for waiting? Be organized right now.